Alright, so it's day one of turbo in the truck. Got started before I started filming, so far we have got the thing up on jack stands and pulled off the Y pipe. Well, not pulled it off, but undid it. It's sitting underneath there. Doesn't want to come out because it's a pain in the ass. And since I don't really need it, I'm probably just going to sawzall it apart. Next I gotta pull off the manifolds. One there. One there. This truck doesn't have AC, so there's a little bit more room to work. Alright, let's see if the bolts are going to come loose or if they are not going to come loose. A little shorter extension. Was this the one that I was working on, or is this the one that came loose? Fucking arms like these, it's not too hard, brother. Alright, so after pulling out every tool in my toolbox, I got one manifold out. Well, maybe. What am I stuck on here? Oh yeah, I gotta go out the bottom. Alright, I didn't pull the spark plugs out because I don't really care if I break them. I have to change them anyway. Gotta put a different heat range plug in there after. So I figured might as well leave the holes plugged so nothing gets in there. Alright, one down, one to go. Alright, believe it or not, all 12 of these babies came out. Not one broken one. Chevy's got good bolts. Good bolts on them Chevys, brother. Actually, I did break one bolt. It was for the EGR. I don't care. We don't need that where we're going. Alright, so now I'll get the cold air off, the engine covers off. And then maybe we'll test fit some manifolds. Yeah. Okay, so this is an 8mm. And then I think there's 10 mils on that. Unplug this. Pull this off, pull that off. Bing, bang, boom. They only react to violence. Alright. She's getting lighter. Alright, so we got manifolds off. The Y pipe's not off, but it's unbolted. Got the cold air out. I am going to have to drain the coolant out of this portion and take this off, as well as I'm going to have to modify the heater hoses. So yeah, I'll have to figure out where my drain bin is for that. Made some pretty good progress though. Crush some shit out pretty quick. I might just like stick that manifold in there and just kind of see how it looks. Look at this thing, dude. This is sick. Huron Speed, man. They make some quality shit. Like,
that's a nice unit.
Oh yeah, and it's thick. Like this thing ain't cracking. It ain't breaking. Nice stainless. Beautiful. Man, I'm stoked. Brand new alternator. Yeah. Let's go. Sick, man. Okay. I'm actually stoked for first day's progress.
Turbo sitting there.
It's sitting in there.
It looks wicked.
Yeah, it's fucking cool. It's really cool. It's fucking sick. I just honestly never fucking imagined that this would happen. When I bought this truck, I said to everyone at work, I was like, I'm buying this truck. It's going to be a cruiser. I'm just going to leave it the way it is. Just drive it. I'm not taking it apart. I might put some headlights in it, some tail lights, and do some cosmetic stuff. And now there's a turbo. All right, well, I think I'm just going to leave that there for now. But I'm going to wrap it up, and tomorrow's another day.